ഹായ് ഫ്രണ്ട്സ്, വെൽക്കം ബാക്ക് ടു മൈ ചാനൽ സൂപ്പർ ക്ലാസ്സസ്. ഇന്ന് ഞാൻ നിങ്ങൾക്കായി 50 കോപ്പറേറ്റീവ് ലോയുടെ 50 പ്രീവിയസ് ഇയർ ക്വസ്റ്റ്യൻസ് ആണ് തയ്യാറാക്കിയത്. ഇത് നിങ്ങൾക്ക് നാളത്തെ പരീക്ഷയ്ക്കുള്ള റിവിഷനാണ്. ഇതുവരെ എൻ്റെ ചാനൽ സബ്സ്ക്രൈബ് ചെയ്യാത്തവർ പ്ലീസ് ഒന്ന് സബ്സ്ക്രൈബ് ചെയ്യണേ. ലൈക്കും ഷെയറും കമൻറ്റും ചെയ്യണേ. അപ്പം നമുക്ക് ക്വസ്റ്റ്യൻസിലേക്ക് കടക്കാം. ഫസ്റ്റ് ക്വസ്റ്റ്യൻ. The chief promoter of a society is bound to convene the first general body meeting within dash months from the date of registration. Answer: 3 months. Next. An officer not below the rank of dash shall be the State Cooperative Election Commission. Answer: Special Secretary to Government. Next. Subsidiary State Partnership Fund is formed as per Section dash of KCS Act. Answer: 45. Next. Every cooperative society within a period of dash months from the date of registration shall get itself affiliated to the State Cooperative Union. Answer: 6 months. Fifth question. The voting right of a member deals with the section dash of KCS Act 1969. Answer: 20. Next. The quorum for managing committee is defined in section dash of KCS Act. Answer: Section 28, subsection 5. The returning officer for the election of Circle Cooperative Union is dash. Answer: Assistant Director. Next. For election nomination, paper shall be submitted to dash by the candidate or his seconder or his proposer. Answer: Returning officer. Next. The registration of a cooperative society is done as per section dash of KCS Act. Answer: 7. The registration certificate of a cooperative society is done as per section dash of KCS Act. Answer: section 8. 11th question. The application for registration is submitted by Answer: Chief Promoter. Special General Body meeting shall be called by Answer: Registrar. The tribunal can pass interlocutory order as per section dash of KCS Act. Answer: section 86. The RCS can supersede managing committee by section dash of KCS Act. Answer: section 32. Dash has a right to sign in the identity card of a member of a cooperative society. Answer: Secretary. The identity card in a society is issued by rule dash of KCS Act. Answer: Rule 16A. Next. The winding up of a society is done by section dash of KCS Act. Answer: section 71. Section 62 of KCS Act defines Answer: gratuity. An inquiry shall be made under the request of dash of the total number of members. Answer: 1/3. Dual membership is allowed in case of dash society. Answer: industrial society. Of equality of votes in the managing committee, the president of the society can exercise Answer, casting vote. Any decision to register a society or its refusal shall be made within dash from the date of application. Answer, 90 days. A cooperative society should transfer an amount not less than dash of the net profit to the reserve fund as per section 56. Answer, 15. In a cooperative society, no individual shall hold more than dash 1/5 of the total share capital. Cooperative Ombudsman in section. Answer, section 69A. According to section 109, power to make rules is duty to. Answer, government. Which section deals with offences? Answer, section 94. Rule 182A deals with. Answer, powers of examination board. Amendment of bylaw of a women SC/ST school societies. Answer, 50. Which section of KCS Act prevents a cooperative society from giving loans to non-members? Answer, section 59. Agricultural Credit Stabilization Fund is dash percentage of net profit. Answer, 7%. Section 69 deals. Answer, disputes to be decided by cooperative arbitration court and registrar. Administrative control of cooperative societies in Kerala is done by. Answer, RCS. Section 70B. Answer, provisions as to pending proceedings. Rule 123. Answer, fee for appeal, revision and review. Section 84. Answer, revision by tribunal. Form number used to create Gahan. Answer, Form 8A. Under section 89 subsection 2, the state cooperative union shall consist of dash. Answer, general body and managing committee. The electoral officer shall publish the final list of voters not less than dash days prior to the date of election. Answer, 20. The duty of electoral officer to publish the preliminary voters list in form number. Answer, 34. Dash has no general body. Answer, Circle Cooperative Union. Next. Qualification of an auditor of a cooperative society is specified in. Answer, section 64A. An application for execution of an award shall be made within dash from the date of award. Answer, 12 years. Enforcement of charges under section 75 of KCS Act is applicable to. Answer, all credit societies. The maximum fees for deciding monetary disputes for claims above rupees 1 lakh is. Answer, 5,000. An appeal against an order of winding up of an insured cooperative bank shall be made to. Answer, no appeal will be permissible. For credit societies, audit fees is based on. Answer, working capital. The liquid cover of debentures of Agricultural and Rural Development Bank and also offer other trustee securities for the purpose of fluid resources under Rule 63 of KCS rule is, sir, 80% of the market value. Medical aid to corporation employees are under answer Rule 191. Last question. Recovery of sums due from society to the government is explained in answer Rule 94. അപ്പോൾ നാളെയാണല്ലോ നമ്മളെ CSEBയുടെ എക്സാം. എല്ലാവരും നന്നായി പഠിച്ചിരിക്കുന്നെന്ന് വിശ്വസിക്കുന്നു. എല്ലാവർക്കും വിജയാശംസകൾ. ഓക്കെ, താങ്ക് യു.